We said we would get through this. We said we would go through the storm. And we also said that there was only one way to do it. As a team. Because only with the effort of each person, we will overcome all of this. We're doing it, step by step, little by little. Because even though we are apart, we join together to continue being a powerful team with the drive we need to keep moving forward. Because some things will not be like they were before, but our confidence in our project will endure, and it will mark our today and our tomorrow. Because we are looking forward to getting back to our daily routine, to see each other again, to collaborate again, and to continue caring for each other. And we're doing it together.